This is L'Oreal's Magic Root Cover-Up Spray in dark brown. This amazing product saves so much. It saves money, it saves time, and it saves effort. Watch how easy it is. For those temporary grays that you have in between salon visits, it is a great solution. Watch, 3 seconds to flawless coverage. That's it. Mine is dark brown. It comes in 12 different colors and it's designed to match L'Oreal's other colors. And if you use that brand for your coloring, watch how easy it is to use. Instructions on the can, like it just showed you, it is 3-second spray. Ammonia and peroxide free, and it will carry you between visits to the salon or to coloring your hair. It is perfect for the in-between stubborn little grays, and you will just love the results. It rinses out easily when you're ready to wash it out. It also makes it very easy to stretch a salon or hair coloring visit.